Guys, now if you want to know how many wireless devices you have connected to internet, like how many wireless networks you were successfully connected for forensics, you can use this command, guys. Netsh show. Okay, netsh wlan show. This is how I always figure out the command syntax, guys. Show profiles. I have connected to two networks, guys, here, like using, and this is the thing, this is the network name. I purchased this laptop through eBay, guys, so they have connected to internet, to this particular internet, and then I also connected to my mobile internet. This is my mobile access point hotspot, and this is my internet one, guys. So this is how we can easily figure out how many wireless devices it was successfully connected for forensics purpose, guys. So you can also check, like if you are unauthorizedly connected to any other network, people will find out using these kind of commands, like forensics purpose. Like as a system admin, your job is to identify like number of network. If someone is trying to hack into any other guest Wi-Fi network, then you can also identify this using these commands. Or there are many ways is there are there. I'm just telling you one approach, guys.